What I wish I knew at 18 instead of 28. How to turn my broke self into a financial superhero. Meet Tim, the human equivalent of a leaky faucet. Money just drips out of him. He spends like it's Monopoly money. But look at Tim now, with a budget tighter than his skinny jeans. Next, we've got Sarah, the queen of treat yourself. Starbucks every morning, online shopping every night. But after our makeover, Sarah's now a coupon clipping ninja. She's saving more than a squirrel in winter. And finally, there's Josh. He thought saving was something you did with video games. But now, Josh is investing like a Wall Street wizard. Want a financial glow-up? Start with the basics budget. Save. Invest. It's not magic, it's money smarts. So who's next for a money makeover? Stay tuned for more epic transformations. Because when your finances get fit, your future gets fabulous.